right, my people, welcome back. Well, this is another great one. Well, onto this, a lot of things have been said. Well, it is said that according to what has been gathered, the Yoruba leaders blow out. And onto this one, they have released a statement. Say DSS should go after killer S-men and their sponsors and leave Sunday Igboho alone. All right, my people, this is another great one. Well, Yoruba leader replied Miyettí after claiming that the Southwest governors are hiding Sunday Igboho. Well, and then this is another one. All right, my people, the news in details. Onto this, Yoruba leaders have spoken out hours after Miyettí alleged that Southwest governors are the ones hiding a well-known Yoruba activist Sunday Igboho, preventing the Department of State Services, DSS, from arresting him. All right, onto this one. While replying them, the Southwest leaders described the allegation as false. They further made it known that the said allegation is satanic, stating it clearly that the DSS operatives should go after killer S-men and their sponsors and not Sunday Igboho. Alright, meanwhile, it should be recalled that Miyettí recently claimed that Southwest governors have been hiding Sunday Igboho, making it difficult for the DSS to get him arrested. It should also be recalled that on the 1st of July, the DSS operatives invaded Sunday Igboho's residence in Ibadan, Oyo State, killing 2 of his aides and then arresting 13 others. All right, and then onto this, that is a good one from the Yoruba leaders. I don't think that Sunday Igboho is the main problem of Nigeria now. There are other major problems facing Nigeria presently, but I don't know the reason why the federal government has decided to focus only on the agitators. On the other hand, I don't think that the Miyettí has the right to tell government who to arrest or who not to arrest. Things must be done properly in Nigeria so that we can move forward as a nation. All right, and then this one has been said so far. Well, onto this, majority of people have actually reacted. Well, and then if you take a very good look at what is going on, you will understand that the set of people that are supposed to be attacked, for majority of people have said that, see, thief, they call owner of the land thief. Then who is not the thief? Who is supposed to be the thief? You, that you are a criminal. You are calling someone who is a freedom fighter a criminal. You see that this country is something else. Well, according to reply, majority of people have actually reacted onto this. Well, someone is saying that bad government in history. How on earth that Miyettí is now dictating or commenting on national issue? Exactly what we are talking about. Well, thumbs up for Yoruba leaders, and then that's another one that someone has said. Well, and someone is saying that Miyettí does not have that right, as in, or whatsoever right to dictate who the federal government should arrest, if not for the fact that this set of people are the one perpetrating the evil. Yes, who is the leader? Who is Miyettí? Someone is saying that no be the same thing with them be. All right, my people. Well, according to Oladuni Ephraim _01 on this, say, well, Pharaoh, Goliath, and then others do more than what Miyettí are doing, but they all finished and became history. So also power militating against God's people must be put to shame. All right, and then someone is saying good response from the Yoruba leaders. The leaders of Miyettí are agents of disintegration and then author of confusion in this country. Better watch your steps. Well, someone is saying that this is not a country anyway. Well, and then that is it. Is this a country? That's why majority of people are like, let's go our separate ways, because the way the leaders have been treating us has been unfair. So it's better we go our separate ways. God is in his infinite mercy will liberate us and give us victory over this terrible and then heartless Miyettí Fulani, whatever they are called. Well, God is watching and then will reward everyone accordingly. Well, this one has been said by Kemi Adeseyoju. All right, well, my people, a lot of things are actually being said onto this. Well, the fact remains that as far as the country is concerned, if care is not taken, if everybody can come together and work together in one accord, I think this country will be a better place. Guess I said that, well, I totally and strongly agree with the Yoruba leaders. This is a clear case of one house being on fire while the person is busy chasing rats. This government is really confused, Jerry. Kudos to the Southwest governors, and that have been said by guests. Well, my people, one thing for sure has been that everyone knows what is going on. We don't need a soothsayer to tell us that Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. And we don't need a soothsayer to tell us that the people that have caused mayhem in the country are the Miyettí Hala themselves. Because if not for the nonsense, somebody will say, oh, ma, Pilado Wadon verse. We just need to tell them the way it is. If not for the atrocities they've committed in every region. In fact, all over Nigeria, they made sure they caused problem for everyone. Going to people's farm, killing people on their own land. You can imagine, who does that? It never happened. So bad. Too bad. If not for all this nonsense that they did, killing people in their home farms, collecting people's farm by force, raping their wives, raping their sisters, their daughter, kidnapping for ransom, nobody will be agitating for separation. The country would have been a better place. And yet, the federal government was not saying anything about it. It was not ready. Instead, they are even going against the people who are protecting their land. Look at what is happening in the southeast. It's too bad. And now they have the guts to come out and be altering what, in fact, I know that this, maybe they don't know. They've forgotten what happened to Abba Kyari, and they've forgotten that, there is God in heaven. And they've forgotten that they are just like mosquito in the hands of God. When you keep doing evil and you are saying that nothing has caught up with me, in fact, let me keep enjoying it. My brother, it is just very close to you. Don't worry. Keep doing the bad thing. Good thing shall follow people who do good, and bad thing shall follow people who do bad. They should keep doing what they are doing. Sunday Igboho, who is fighting for a better cause. Now they are after him. They are calling him a terrorist. Meanwhile, the major terrorists are working freely. Nothing is being said about them. And now you still want this set of people to remain in the same country. Well, don't worry. It's a matter of time. All right, my people, that has been it on this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.